This is a song I wrote called The Puppeteer, and it's just the lyrics and a little beat that I kind of made up that I kind of feel it would sound like. But yeah, this is just me. This is just what I hear when I sing this song in my head. This is how I hear it. So let's do it. Oh my, what is this feeling? I've never had this feeling. It's such a foreign feeling. Please tell me, what's this feeling? I'm the dirt in the earth, from my death to my birth. Now I'm stuck in this realm, from the heavens I fell. On my left and my right, I got you by my side, whispering your demands and your great master plans. I got my head in the sky, you made it float on away. I don't know wrong from right, I just do what you say. You're pulling on my strings, my little puppeteer. I can't remember my dreams, your voice is all I hear. I don't know what to do, I don't know what to say, until I hear from you, and then I'm on my way. Choices, they come and go, I let them pass me by, until you pull my strings and force me to decide. I got my head in the sky, you made it float on away. I don't know wrong from right, I just do what you say. You're pulling on my strings, my little puppeteer. I can't remember my dreams, your voice is all I hear. This feeling is brand new, my head is coming down to filter through what you have shown me on the ground. I cry loud in pain, this feeling that I feel. It is regret and shame, I wonder if I'll heal. You had my head in the sky, let it float on away. I knew not wrong from right, I just do what you say. Yeah, you pulled on my strings, my little puppeteer. You made me laugh and scream, and love and hate and fear. Oh my, what is this feeling? I've never felt this feeling. I really like this feeling. Now tell me what I'm feeling. And it would sound something like that.